XFJ830M34. Time asset, when can verified duration become an asset dimension? Once the evidence chain can support verified duration, the next pressure test is: when, if ever, can verified duration become a time asset research dimension? The answer cannot simply be: the object is old, nor the object has verified history. A stronger framework must first establish: what is the physical carrier? What evidence supports its history? How reliable is the verification? Can independent researchers review the evidence? Can the evidence remain available for future examination? The proposed path is: physical object, time carrier, evidence, verified duration, time asset. Time asset therefore represents a further research question, not an automatic classification. It asks: if an asset carries a documented and independently examinable duration, can that verified time become an additional dimension for understanding the asset? This distinction is important because traditional asset evaluation already considers many dimensions: provenance, authenticity, condition, rarity, historical significance, market demand. XFJ830 does not replace these. It asks whether verified duration can provide another layer of information. This also means time asset, old asset, and time asset guaranteed value. An object may have substantial verified history without having a particular market price. Likewise, market value may depend on factors completely unrelated to duration. Therefore, time asset should remain separate from market valuation. The pressure test becomes: evidence, verified duration, independent review, time asset research, external evaluation. Only after these stages can researchers reasonably ask whether verified time provides meaningful additional information. The framework must also allow a negative conclusion. If the evidence is insufficient, time asset should not be established. If the relationship cannot be demonstrated, it should remain a research hypothesis. If future research changes the interpretation, the framework should change with it. A time asset should be earned through evidence, not created through terminology. That is the central boundary of XFJ830M34. The next pressure test is: if time asset can be independently researched, how can time value be studied without confusing research value with market price? XFJ830 official website: www.xfj830.com. XFJ830 time asset verified duration asset research time value.